Welcome to Game Design with Unity. In this course, we are giving students a well-rounded Unity toolset while encouraging them to think about results first. What do I mean by results first? Well, imagine you're a student and you got this really cool game you want to make. You reach inside your Unity toolset, pull out the tools you need, and make it a reality. Now, instead of making games based off of a bunch of random coding exercises, we're making games from start to finish with plenty of time to experiment, modify, and explore to really make the games our own. So let's dive into the curriculum. First, we're making 3D games. And even then, we gotta catch up our beginning students. We got some students who probably won't know how to use the Unity game engine. So we wanna make sure all of our students know how to navigate inside a 3D work engine, how to use the keyboard shortcuts, and then we'll make a 3D game together. Now this 3D game is gonna be simple. We're gonna break it down into its assets, objects, mechanics, see how they all fit together, and then we'll teach students how to import their own 3D assets. Next, we dive into 2D game design. Students will learn how to make their own 2D art, how to use raycasting, how to use events, and learn how to make UI really cool so you can capture the audience's attention, tell a story while keeping the mood of the game. Finally, we're gonna go into game design documents and our final projects. Students will determine what they want to do for the final project. They'll write it all down inside a game document, from the division of labor to the assets, objects, mechanics, scripts, and anything they need from the Unity Asset Store, and then they'll propose it to you and your TA, the studio heads, for approval. Once you give them the seal of approval, they'll talk about the scope of the project, give them a direction, and then they'll work on it for the rest of the curriculum. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Where do you think you're going? Just want to let you know, there have been extra lessons added to the end of the course. These lessons aren't essential for completing the course, but they'll give your students a nice break from the more difficult parts of learning how to code in Unity. So you should check these out. They're a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Digital Media Academy, signing off.